Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session we will be studying the 8th letter of Arabic alphabet, that is called Daal. The sound is D. And okay, so what is the articulation point? It says top part of the tip of the tongue and the gum line of the two top incisors. So if you see, that is quite similar to the one we have studied before, like that, but the difference, the difference would be the Sifaat that causes a difference in the two different letters. Okay, so let me explain that to you. Top part, let me do that. Top part of the tip of the tongue. So if this is the tip and this is the top part of the tip, okay, and it says the gum line of the two top incisors. So this is 1, 2, we have two incisors and this is the gum line. Okay, so the top part of the tip of the tongue and the gum lines of the top two incisors, when we're pronouncing Dal, that's where the sound come from. Okay, you can see in the other diagram. So that's the top part of the tip of the tongue and this is the gum line for the top two incisors. Let me explain this into in 3D model. And next slide. Okay, just the one. Okay. Okay. So let me clear this. Okay, as we have the mouth, the tongue. Okay, I come to this diagram. Okay. So this is the tip. Okay, as we have this is the tip, and we say it's the top of the tip of the tongue, so we will be using the top part of the tip of the tongue. That's the top part, and it's the two incisors, top incisors, the gum line. Okay, so the gum line of the top two incisors. So the tip of the tongue, the top part of the tip of the tongue, and the gum lines of the top two incisors as the Makharij, as the articulation point for Dal. Okay, back to slide. Okay, so is it a light or heavy letter? It is a light letter, and when we are pronouncing it Dal, then our mouth and the lips remain flat. Dal. And is it a connector or non-connector? It is a non-connector. Why? Because if you see its connecting forms, that shows that it is. So if it's written independently, it's like this. If it's written in the beginning of it is written in the beginning of, right, it is written in the beginning, it's similar to as if it is written individually, because the reason is we cannot write anything after it when it comes in the beginning. Clean this again. So we cannot write any other letters. We cannot connect any other letters after it when it comes in the beginning of a word. If you see here, when it is in the middle of a word, we can connect other letters with it, before it, but we cannot connect other letters with it after it. And similarly, we can connect other letters with it. We can connect other letters with it when it comes at the end of the word. So it is a non-connector because we cannot connect the words here and the words, the letters here and the letters here. Okay. So how to write it? It is written with a single curved stroke from the top to bottom, rests on the line. So let me write it down, explain that one. Okay, it is written with a single curved line. So if it's written on its own, it's like this. Okay, and if it's written beginning is similar to that one as well. Okay, and it's rests on the line. Okay, in the middle it's like this, and in the end it's like the same as this one. Okay, let's connect that one. Okay. English equivalent, it is similar to D. It's not the same, but it's similar to D. That's the English equivalent. And for transliteration purposes, we will be using D to represent it in English for the sound. And that's it for this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.